How to use Google Art Studio to show point-to-point transition. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel, and on this video I will guide you how you can use Google Art Studio to show point-to-point transition. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, open up the Chrome browser in your device and in the search bar type in Google Art Studio. Navigate to the first link on your interface. Here, click on Try Art Studio at the top right corner and you may be prompted to log in into your account. Make sure that you log in into your account. Once you're logged in, you will land on this interface. Here, you have to click on this drop down right here and click on Quick Starts. Here you have various options to start your project to zoom to, orbit, spiral and point to point. So from here select point to point and then click on start. Now you will see this kind of interface. First of all, you have to set your first point. Click on the search bar right here, then set your first point in the map. Here I will just enter one of the location. Now you can zoom in and select your location. Once you have your first point, click on this green arrow. Now you have to set your second point. So for now, I will just enter my second point. That's gonna take you to your second point. You can zoom in and then set your second point. So once you set your second point, again click on this green arrow right here. Now you will see point-to-point transition on the Google Art Studio. As you can see, a small video has been created showing the transition. So if you're satisfied with this transition, then you have to click on this green tick mark right here. Now that's gonna directly take you to the edit page. Here you can further edit, you can explore all of these options given here. And if you want to render and save this video, click on the render button at the top right corner, and here make sure you have selected this video format. Once you're done, click on start and then the video will get start rendering and will be saved. That's it. That's how you can use Google Art point-to-point transition. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.